Hi, John here, and this is going to be an unboxing and hopefully quick, flawless setup of the new Pixel Watch. Got it right here. I have not opened it yet, so I can get my unboxing knife. There's two pieces of tape that need to be cut. One, two. Alright. Taking the lid off. There's nothing in the lid. The watch is on display right here. I'm going to pull it out. It's wrapped around a piece of cardboard and it's already got the watch band on it. So I'm going to take it off of here. It's sort of a basic just rubber sports style band. So the one I ordered is the silver with the charcoal band, and the first thing I'm noticing taking it off of here is it's definitely small. It's the smallest watch I've ever used, for sure. But you know, I might not mind it as long as I'm able to do talk-back gestures easily on it. That's all that matters to me. I'm not so concerned with how it looks on my wrist or anything like that, although it does seem very nice. I will say that. And so, set the watch aside. The cardboard that was wrapped around has the charging cable inside of it. So, let's see if I can get it out of here without tearing anything. Okay, so got that cardboard piece open. Got the charging cable out. Just gonna set this stuff aside. I'm curious to see what the length of this cable is because my Samsung watches haven't come with very long cables recently. And this seems about the same. Maybe a little over 2 feet. So not a super long cable. I'm going to set that aside. Okay, so it's just to describe the band, it's sort of like a belt style where it goes through, you put it through, and then once you have the notch going through the right hole, then you can tuck the rest inside of it underneath, so it's tucked away. So if anyone's had an Apple Watch, it's similar to that. Alright, so doesn't seem like it has a screen protector on it or anything like that I can tell by feeling it. The crown, so I'm turning the crown, and I'm hoping there's going to be some haptics once I turn it on, because there's no texture to like the rotation of it. Like, it's just a smooth rotation. It doesn't click at all. So hopefully there will be some haptics associated with that. So I'm going to go ahead and press the only button on here. Actually, I shouldn't say the only button because the crown is a button. I don't know which one to press. I'm going to press the button above the crown first and see what happens. I'm holding it. Okay. I think it came on, but it did not vibrate. I'm just going to wait a few seconds. I'm also going to, I have my Pixel 7 here.
Device lock, 10:01 p.m. Lock screen, device unlocked, home.
Just going to have my phone on to see if it automatically tries to connect or anything like that. Okay, it did vibrate eventually after a very long time, maybe to let me know that it's ready to set up or something. So nothing's happening automatically on my phone. I'm going to triple click this side key and see what happens. It didn't do anything. Alright. I'm going to try triple clicking the crown. That also didn't do anything. I'm going to hold 2 fingers on the screen.
Google Pixel Watch. Device app is required to start setup. Go to Google Play button. Home on top. Google Pixel Watch on bottom. Google Pixel Watch. Device app is required to start setup. Google
Okay,
Pixel Watch.
as you can see, there is a pop-up on my phone. I'm going to go to that. I was not able to turn talkback on. Let's see what happens here.
Go to Google Play button. Google Play Store. Collapse list.
So it's sending me to the Play Store.
Google LLC. Average rating 4.5 stars and 150 reviews. Downloaded 50,000 plus time. Google Pixel Watch.
Google Pixel Watch is the name of the app.
Install button.
I'm
Google
installing
Pixel
it.
Google Pixel Watch. Connecting to Google Pixel Watch. Google Play Store on top. Connecting to Google Pixel Watch on bottom. Connecting to Google Pixel Watch. Checking for updates for wear free period. Connecting to Google Pixel Watch. Confirm pin. To connect Google Pixel Watch to this phone. Confirm that the pins match on both devices. 916,270. Wrong pin. Button. Confirm. Confirm.
I'm going to confirm the pin even though I can't see it. Just going to trust that
Google Pixel Watch.
nobody else around here is setting up a Google Pixel Watch.
Allow Google Pixel Watch to send you notifications. Allow button.
I'm going to allow notifications.
Decline button. More button. I agree.
I'm going to agree to everything without reading it.
Watch on top. Google Pixel Watch on bottom. Watch. This could take about a minute. Connecting to your watch.
It says it's connecting to my watch.
Checking for Google account. Device setup. Sign into your Google account. Sign into your Google account on your watch to use Google Apps, download new apps, and use Find My Device. JohnDyer05@gmail.com. Continue as John. Button.
Just going to hit continue as John.
Unlock to continue setting up your device. Tap to cancel authentication. Button.
It's wanting my fingerprint. Face unlock doesn't seem to work right here.
Tap to cancel authentication. Button. Tap to cancel authentication. Button. Tap to cancel authentication. Sign into your... New sign in on Google Pixel Watch. Your Google account was signed into. Email. Google. Security alert. Email. Google. Security alert.
Okay, so it's...
In progress. Progress bar. Signing in. Heading.
So
Watch.
signing in.
Checking for decline. Button. By clicking. I accept. You agree to that. Google device. I accept. Button.
I accept, once again.
Welcome to your new Google Pixel Watch. Stay connected to your body and your world. More options. Button. Next. Button. Put on your watch.
It wants me to put on my watch. Still haven't got talkback going. But we'll put it on. Not sure why it wants me to, but let's do it. Alright.
Slide the band through the outer loop. Press the metal peg into a hole. Then more options. Button.
Just gave me directions on how to put it on, even though I already did.
Next. Button. Set watch orientation.
Okay.
Message. Which wrist is it on?
Cool. It lets you select which wrist. So, that you can have the dial, the knob towards, like pointing towards your hand, so you could easily reach it with your other hand. So that's cool.
Left wrist button.
Which means I put it on wrong.
Where's right wrist button?
Hit right wrist.
Right wrist button.
I guess that's selected.
Where's the crown? Left crown button.
The crown is...
Right crown button.
Oh, I guess you could do it either way. So right crown. I'm going to do that.
More options button. Next button. Learn how to switch bands.
No thanks.
You can swap band sizes and more options button. Not now button. You can swap band sizes and not now button. Get the Fitbit mobile app.
Now it's wanting me to get the Fitbit mobile app.
Install button. Do it later button.
I'm going to do it later. I'm just trying to figure out how to get TalkBack working on this thing.
Skip button. Talk to your watch. Set up Google Assistant. More options button. Skip button. Set up button.
I will skip this also,
Skip,
even though I will set that up.
More options button. You're almost done. Just a few more steps. More options button.
I'm almost done.
Continue button. Set a lock on your watch.
Set a lock on my watch.
On your watch, set a pin or pattern to keep it pin. Pattern.
What if I don't want
Pattern.
to?
Pin.
I'm going to do a pin.
In progress. Progress bar. Enter pin on your watch.
Oh, great. Looks like I'm stuck. I'm going to try these TalkBack shortcuts again.
Something went wrong.
Okay, it worked that time. Let's see. Sounds like TalkBack's running, but I don't hear a...
Get spoken feedback so you can use your watch without looking at the screen. Drag 2 fingers to scroll.
I'm going to see if I can back out of this. I don't want to.
Swipe right or left to move between items. Swipe right or left to move. Double tap to activate an item.
Guess I have to go through this. Let me hit back again.
Finish button.
Okay, finished.
Continue on phone. Setup. Continue on phone. Image.
Okay, I gotta go back to my phone now.
Something went wrong. Please try again. More options button. Cancel button. Retry button.
Retry.
In progress. Progress bar.
Set a pin. Settings.
Okay, now
Screen on.
I should be able to
Pin
do
area.
this.
Setting screen lock. Settings. Continue on phone. Setup. Continue.
Okay, so I'm back on the phone now. I've set my
Tap to pay
pin.
everywhere Google Pay is accepted. Right transit. More options button. Skip button.
I'm gonna skip Google Pay for now.
Select apps for your watch. Checking for Google Play. Continue button. Watch. See top features button. Your watch may need to restart. Send email to johndyer05@gmail. See top features button. Done button.
I'm just gonna hit done.
Setup complete. John's Google Pixel Watch.
Okay, so my setup is now complete. So I'm not gonna say it was without hiccups, and maybe I did something wrong, but we got through it. Thanks for listening.